Hiya guys, welcome to the Italian Guy channel. After watching so many videos about keto pizza on YouTube, I finally came to make my own dough, keto friendly, and no fiber, no cauliflower, no eggs. Is really delicious indeed. Those small pizza are useful for aperitifs or just for a party, to introduce people to each other, and you give those pizzette. Follow me in the video. It's very quick and they really taste good. So to prepare our aperitif small pizza, 70 grams of parmesan, 70 grams of flax seeds flour, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I use the extra virgin one. Okay. So now we give a quick stir to the dry salt, of course. Yeah. Now we're going to give a quick stir to the dry ingredients so we can combine them together. And yeah. Now we are going to add the last ingredient, of course, to make the dough, to form the dough, to have it sticky like the pizza one. Just water. Is 100 milliliters of water. Here it is. Okay, 100 milliliters. Now we just need the dough on a board. Just few quick kneading. It doesn't take so long to do that. There is no need to knead the dough for so long because there is no gluten, so there is no rice. Just to form the shape of the dough. That's it. Yeah. Combine the ingredients together. It's very quick, very easy, and the xanthan gum make the dough really elastic and gives it bindness. Okay. So I put a parchment paper sheet on the oven tray. Now we make some balls. With the doses I gave you, you can make 5 mini small pizza. I call them mini pizzette in Italiano. It means small pizza. So we make the space in the middle so that the pizza we can put later the tomato and the shredded mozzarella. And yeah, 5 of them. And believe me, the taste is so good. Really, they don't taste fibers. They don't have this fiber back taste because of the parmesan that covers it all. So it's very easy, very quick, and the dough, thanks to the xanthan gum, is really elastic, like the dough with gluten. So we make 5 of them, and they are going to oven at 450 Fahrenheit degrees for 20 minutes. And the first 10 minutes we put them inside the oven like this, no tomato added. Then the last 10 minutes we put tomato that I dress with extra virgin oil and salt, and then the mozzarella. I'm going to show you the picture in a while so you can see how they turn gold after 10 minutes. And then you can add the 5 of them, tomato and the mozzarella for the last 10 minutes. Yep, here we are. Okay, so here they are like after 10 minutes. So we can add tomato that I dressed, as I said, with tomato and salt and olive oil, and then the mozzarella. In the picture is not shown, but you can put mozzarella and then back to the oven for the last 10 minutes. And here it is. They are really scrumptious.
They're exquisite. They are delicious. Completely different dough from all the other ones I've seen on the YouTube about pizza, keto pizza. These ones are very easy. Those ones are very easy to do, to make, to bake, and they melt in the mouth. They're delicious indeed. Try them, and I'm sure you like them for aperitifs or just for starters at parties, things like this. I'm sure you will like them. And please, if you like them, subscribe to the channel of the Italian guy. Help me to grow. I reached 500 quota. Now my target is to reach 1000 followers, and I need your support, please. So this is another savory recipe and more to come. Follow me and you won't be disappointed. All the best. Have a very nice day. Bye.